Hello everyone. There are two alerts today relating to the high temperatures. The first is an advisory for the heat wave which continues all across the Highveld as well as along the border with Zimbabwe and Botswana. And there is also a warning for high fire danger conditions throughout the central interior of the country, including the Free State, the Northwest as well as Gauteng. As the heat wave continues for many areas, here's some advice from the Weather Centre. We suggest that you stay out of the midday sun when it's hottest. Drink lots of water to make sure you're staying hydrated. Wear loose-fitting, cool clothing as well as a hat, especially if you're going to be outdoors. And just as you would on any other sunny day, wear sunscreen to prevent any sun damage. It's going to be a partly cloudy day throughout the northern and central parts, along with the very high temperatures. We are expecting a few thunder showers in places. And as the day goes on and this high pressure system moves up the east coast, it will start pushing in moisture towards KwaZulu-Natal and along the eastern escarpment. And by this evening, we are expecting light rain to start pushing in over the area as well. The rainfall probability map shows isolated thunderstorms from Gauteng and some areas in the northwest through to the northern parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. In KwaZulu-Natal, it will start off dry, but as the day goes on, we're going to see the moisture moving in. And by this evening, a light rain is expected, especially for the coastline as well as the adjacent interior. Towards the Newcastle region, a possibility for a thunderstorm or two in the afternoon. Temperatures in the north remaining very high this afternoon, 38 degrees for Mahikeng. The rest of the region also reaching the mid to upper 30s. And it's also going to be very hot for the Free State, not quite as warm into the Eastern Cape, especially for the Grahamstown area, 23 degrees as your high. Cool along the Eastern Cape coastline, Port Elizabeth with a southwesterly wind at 30 kilometers per hour, and we have light winds for Durban and Richards Bay, pushing in the moisture from the Indian Ocean. Another warm to hot day all across the southern interior, some places getting into the low 30s, and it remains milder along the coastline. Once again, we are expecting a fairly elevated swell for this area, reaching a height of 3.5 meters. Hot over the Northern Cape, very hot in fact for some places. Uppington gets to 37, while Sutherland is fast approaching that 30-degree mark. Along the west coast, it's going to be another cool to warm day for this region. Windy in places, especially for Alexander Bay, getting up to 40 kilometers per hour for today. Cape Town, not too bad, 24 degrees with a moderate southerly to southeasterly. Heading into Tuesday, and the likelihood for showers and thunderstorms increases over Limpopo, Gauteng, as well as in Mpumalanga, and it's going to be a cloudy, cool and wet day along the eastern coastline.